If your basement floods, FlowGuard is the right choice for you. FlowGuard is our patented two-part waterproofing system that's perfect for your home. Let's take a look at the installation. Here we are, we're installing FlowGuard today in this customer's basement. First, you have the perforated pipe, which is pitched and led to the basin. Second, you have gravel, which creates a path of least resistance for the water to flow, also towards the basin. Third, we install the weep holes. Weep holes are holes that are drilled in the bottom course of the block and allow water to flow from the block into the waterproofing system. But what puts it all together is FlowGuard. The flange on the back of FlowGuard creates a separation from your wall to your weep holes, and what that allows it to do is any dirt or debris that gets built up in your wall can flow out, get into a waterproofing system, and get discharged away from your basement. FlowGuard and this flange makes all the difference in waterproofing your basement. When installing FlowGuard in your home's basement, it can be completed in 7 effective steps. Step 1. Determine the size of the footing and jackhammer around your basement's perimeter walls accordingly. Step 2. Remove all the dirt and debris. Step 3. Dig a trench between the footing and the disturbed concrete to alleviate the hydrostatic pressure. Step 4. Install gravel to create a path of least resistance and drill weep holes to drain the water from the walls. Step 5. Install perforated pipe and pitch it towards the sump location. Step 6. Install your FlowGuard and your sump pump. Step 7. Refinish the basement's disturbed areas with new concrete. We're back on day 2 of this project. Today we installed Clean Space liner on the walls. Clean Space is a 20 mil thick antimicrobial vapor barrier. What this product does is alleviates the hydrostatic pressure that's coming through the walls and gives the water a place to go down into a waterproofing system. Any water that's coming through your walls, now or in the future, will drain down into the waterproofing system and get discharged away from the home. And once the job is complete, we'll provide you with a written lifetime warranty. And if you ever decide to sell your home, that warranty is transferable to the next homeowner. Here at Basement Systems in New York, we take care of all things basement-y, because that's just what we do.